Hi everybody, this is Andrew with Hardware Artisan. Today I want to take a look at a product from Coolo. It's a 4-pack of addressable RGB LED strips. It's primarily designed to work with Corsair's IQ software so that you can integrate it into your PC with other Corsair products that you may have. It's, I would say, substantially cheaper. The Corsair 4-pack of LED strips is about $43.11 as the time I'm making this video. This particular kit was $29.99, so you save about $13-14 bucks. These strips do have 12 LEDs each as opposed to 10 in the Corsair strip. So across the kit you get just a few more. That does create a little oddity in the software when you're setting it up, and I'll show you that in just a minute. It's not really a problem. It's just something you got to be aware of that you'll have to work around. And these are IP65 waterproof should you care, and they do use the WS2812B LEDs. Again, this is really just kind of a cheaper alternative to Corsair's LED expansion kit. So I saw it, I thought, what the heck, let's take a look at it. I needed a few more strips to do some lighting outside the PC under the desk. So I figured I'd give it a shot and just wanted to share it with you. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box, and we'll set it up real quick and see how it works. So you get a user manual, 4 strips, and then you get the extensions. On this particular kit, the extensions are required as the strips themselves don't have the normal Corsair 3-pin connection. You need to use the extension here to get that set up. So let's go ahead and get these out on the table here, and we'll set it up and take a look at it. For this setup here, I'm just going to start with 2 of them. Take a quick look at it. You just plug in the extension here. Then for this particular test, I'm going to use a Lighting Node Pro. And we'll just put it on channel 1. I do just have an external power adapter for the Lighting Node Pro that I'll use here. And just an external USB connection. And if you haven't seen my video on kind of a Corsair overview, go ahead and take a look at that. I'll put a link in the description below. It'll kind of give you a little more information about the Lighting Node Pro, how it works, how it connects up. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. So go ahead and plug in my Lighting Node Pro. And in the IQ software, that shows up. I can go ahead and lighting setup. And I've just got these connected to channel 1. And so I'll just give you a quick overview of kind of the anomaly that you have to go through to set this up. So if you select RGB light strip and just 1 strip is connected, you just simply get 10 LEDs lit. And that's what a Corsair strip would light up as with only 10. So Coolo just tells you to select additional strips. So if I do 2, then I get 20 LEDs lit. And to get the full amount, I select 3. And so I do believe that an HD fan, well, I believe that has 12 LEDs in it. Let's check. So if I do 2, if I do 1, so 1 HD fan, you get the idea. That has 12 LEDs in it, 2 fans. I've seen some comments online that this is what people are choosing to use. So right out of the gate, it appears to work just fine. I do have instant lighting set. We can go through and select a few different colors. Blue, red, that seems to work good. Let's select a couple of different lighting effects. So we'll do spiral rainbow. We won't go through them all here. If you're familiar with Corsair's products, you've seen all of these before. So here's just a few effects. Rain. Again, I'm not going to go through every one of these. Temperature. You get the idea. Appears to be working okay. No problems. And so really that's the biggest oddity I found about the product is just you got to be aware of how to select in the lighting setup if you want to choose additional strips or if you want to just choose fans. I think I'll probably just set fans on it and then forget about it, because that seems to be, that's at least just a good match to how many strips there are. So let's take a quick look on this. I'm going to connect up a couple of Corsair strips on the other channel, and these look pretty good to me. I don't have any real complaints about it, but let's put the strips on this other channel here and see how they look. So these are authentic Corsair strips that I've been using in my PC for some time. And so on channel 2, we'll go ahead and select HD fans. We'll put 2 fans are connected. Well, on the strips, we don't really need that. So we'll do RGB strips. Just 2 strips are connected because these will match up to what Corsair IQ wants. So let's go ahead and select some lighting effects. And we'll go ahead and select it all. So that's spiral rainbow. Rainbow wave. That's rainbow. I've noticed with this power supply that I've got connected that it doesn't seem to quite have enough power to power all of this. I did play with this previously and hooked up to the PC on the SATA connector on my power supply. It doesn't have any of these anomalies. It doesn't flash and everything like that. It works perfectly fine. So I think this is just this external power supply I have connected causes some goofiness in these strips here. So, but other than that, kind of give you a quick overview of how that looks. You know, to the naked eye, it looks just fine. I would say, you know, if I was being just, you know, really particular, maybe the Corsair strips just a little bit richer in the color, but I'd really be nitpicking. And if you get this behind anything, you're going to be really hard pressed to notice much of a difference. So it looks just fine to me and seems to play nice with it. Well, there you have it. I think all in all, it's a pretty good product. It seems to work just fine. I think it's a good substitute. Saves you a few bucks off of the Corsair strips. Longevity, it's hard to say. I haven't really been using them for any length of time. So, you know, like I said, if you're nitpicking, maybe the Corsair, you could argue, looks just a touch better, but I'm really nitpicking at that point. And that's going to be subjective. So, if saving a few bucks is worth it to you, maybe the extra LEDs helps, you know, a little bit longer on the length, things like that, then this is a good product to go with, I think. As I end here, I'll show you just a couple of short clips of my final project. I'm going to put these behind the desk and just kind of do some accent lighting outside of my particular PC case. So take a look at them. Again, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. If you like these videos, hit like and subscribe, and I'll keep making them. I enjoy showing them to you. And again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.